Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So this week's vlog, I'll be coming to you from Sav. So I'm spending the weekend in Sav with my friend Janet for her 30th birthday. So I'm going to start off this with day one, which is a Saturday, chilling in Sav and everything, and then you're going to come back to me here at Bluefield beach, you know. So we're going to have a cookout and games and everything going on today on the beach. But before we get to that, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and don't forget, of course, guys, to hit that subscribe button. Help me reach my target for 3K by my birthday in September, guys, and help me get there. So yeah, we're going to start off with my day in Sav, and then we're going to come back and join me here. So let's go into that, guys. Vlog life.
Hey, Sham.
We're now in St. Elizabeth, I think Luana. It's mass life. So, heading to Sav. Yeah. So guys, man and her outside taking pictures and talking. So guess what happened now? The driver going to the bus, I'm at the bus. Going to the bus, I'm at the bus. I'm there by the outside, I watch the bus. We're by the outside, I watch the bus, I drive away. When we're out there, I asked if I leave the bus early.
So, doing a joke, right? The summer.
So we're here now, waiting on Janet to come and pick us up. Sleep, they just start getting nice. Well nice. I'll do a little more to sleep there. I might just sleep when I get to the house. Who knows?
No, I said on the bus, and I said, how do you feel about this? And you said no, so I said, I'm going to stay. Yeah, but you never tell me say that on the bus. So I said, no, come on, I said.
Me never know say him ask you if we belong on the bus. So the man jumping at the bus, toot him on 2 times and lock the door, and me and Amanda out there like, hey! So now we're waiting on Janet. The bus is still here. We're in Sav. Yeah. Bad to bad, but I know where Janet drive. So me and Amanda just sitting here like 2 little scabbies on the roadside.
Hungry.
Hungry. We don't know where she drive, and we're sitting here watching everybody else get picked up. And can you believe it? We wake up from 4 o'clock, take a 4-hour drive from Savanna-la-Mar, and still stand up on the roadside and wait for Janet.
4 hours.
Look at us on the roadside. Roadside living. People are get pick up and we stranded on the roadside same way like some little scabby in Sav. But let's see, me dead to sleep though. And if it's a God, guys, it's been a long work week, and then even weekend start from yesterday. I'm well tired. I'm tired of the mass life. Jesus peace, man, I'm tired of it. I'm hungry. You can't even tell how much things are happening in my life right now. As we wait. Yes, let's wait. And we are saved. Yay!
Finally. Finally.
We are safe.
Socialize. We used to socialize with. Like, sure. Anyways, it's time to get
So, she's here.
the most important part of the day. The 8th bar.
So, hi Janet! Can't take off my mask now. I'm not
Picture for Instagram look too nice. I'm not gonna put me for Instagram after. If people in progress to me reappear looking, oh my gosh.
Don't worry yourself, but that's up to the IG girl. Like.
No, man, no IG person.
IG people have real life.
Yes,
They've never perfect all
Jamara.
the time.
Jesus, me should have put something on my head.
Pay attention to the road, Janet.
I'm off here.
So she's worried about how she looks, you know? This is the day of the life, you know? We look normal on a regular day, not every time. And not every time we fix up and all these
I wonder
things.
if me fix up when I should have been
Janet, how you drive so well?
That me say like a taxi man. Janet drive like a taxi man.
I lie. I probably shouldn't have to do it too much of
Oh
them.
my god.
Oh, no, no, I put that out there.
It's a vlog. Everything I'm going to do.
Vlogs are unfiltered, Janet. I want to sleep, I'm hungry, and Janet.
Alright, so stuff is there to make breakfast. No breakfast is made. I don't do breakfast. Even when I'm going to work, I don't make breakfast. I make a little effort for Johnny breakfast, but Johnny doesn't eat breakfast either. So good. So I don't make breakfast.
So when eat.
He have in tea. In his tea, me make Swiss Miss, ensure cow's milk. Yeah. So it will help him little. He not eat early. We can't eat early. He not eat early. So another pound.
You the bumper?
With a pound of one.
Oh.
The food is stuff that I.
Well, that's all I want here still.
Breakfast.
No, but we didn't trust man that we couldn't eat it too patty.
So the more party place today, I said.
Breakfast stuff today.
Going liquor shopping.
Guys, we are on the beach.
Liquor. Sun at bad. She pretend to be camera shy.
Okay, so we're in the beautiful St. Lucia. We're currently we're not shopping.
Skylar, bye.
Really? Again?
Yes, again.
Make sure my belly looks flat.
We must do. We're at Janet's.
We're at Mocha's Airbnb. It's a really nice I mean, apart from the fact that she actually put us in the heated room and stay in the AC.
Yes, guys. Janet set the AC room for herself and put the guests.
Yes. So as I was
The
saying,
fan.
you see all them people that would pretend like them want be nice to them guests. I'm not one of them.
So, and see, right now we're getting a lift. It's called Airbubu in this country, Airbubu. So we're actually on our way from St. Lucia. Oh, we're going to St. Lucia, Grenada. Yes, we're on our way there.
We're going to Grenada now.
Yes, and then from there we're gonna head to Barbados.
It's a Caribbean tour we're going on.
Yes, just one drive. They're so close to each other.
Regional tour.
And our lift, show them our lift, our driver, see right there, she.
Hey.
Mocha Choco. And the lift
That's
is,
the owner of Mocha, guys.
yes. And we just kidnapped this tourist man in the front. We saw him, look like he have a lot of money. So we said, yes, let's go with him.
Market. The sign up there says Savanna-la-Mar. So that's the fort there. That's the fort. And inside here they're doing a photo shoot there of the happy couple. Yeah. So this is the market. Down there's the market. mark. This is the end of Great Drive Street. So South has one straight road here. This is the end of Great Drive Street. And the market and the car park is at the bottom. I'm going to show you guys the seagulls over by the fish market over on that side over there. Come Janet, let's go buy coal. So I'm going to get coal so that we can cook our dinner tonight, guys. We're going to cook our dinner later. We're going to borrow one coal stove. We're going to borrow one coal stove and then we're going to buy some coal. We'll cook the dinner later. Yeah. You want the cake? Yeah, so we're going to buy some coal so we can eat dinner tonight because Janet now look stove.
And then we'll go find wood and all these things.
We'll catch up with you guys soon. 600, 1200 and 250.
Buy 600 one.
Which one is 600? Which one is 600?
I'm not sure. He said 600, 400 and something. So whenever they have to walk for guys, the find for like right here. So. We don't need 600. How much I buy, Johnny? Two of that, that's how much money? 500.
So that's enough?
500 worth of cola.
How much coal that?
So we're dinner secure for tonight.
And 2.5.
No, sorry. So dinner secured, guys.
Breeze nice and something. You can smell this. But it's near to the fish market. Man that keep photo shoots. And the people in my wait to put on the coal. You can't warm fire, sir? You warm? Hey! Let's go. So guys, it's now day 2 in Sav and we're at Bluefield Beach. Look at it, guys. So we're going to chill now with a little cookout and so. Janet's 30th birthday. Some fun and some games. Get wet and something, you know. So yes, get ready for some fun times. So we're setting up things and getting ready for the day. Other persons aren't here as yet. So we set up the area, setting up the food, man around the vibes and thing, you know. I chill out. Yeah, so get ready for a fun-filled day, guys. Fire blaze, wood fire ready.
So what does it go on, Carrie?
Yes,
From
the
the bag
curse
then?
Eh? Raman.
Yeah, that's what we have to just carry.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
On every country person can swim. On every country person can swim.
What is that?
You
See that? I mean, it's like that. It's not red berry. You don't buy red berry for me?
I'm not ready, man.
No, red berry. It was a mixed one. It's fine. It's Ready. Make sure you get
Try ring the hand and it just never down.
You're ready. Make sure you get us in there.
Janet, you haven't come this side.
TV. Watching TV. Playing guitar. Playing violin.
No, Amy says.
No, in the past because I tune the guitar. Tune and play two different things.
Baby, pregnant lady. Beard. Strong man. Gymnastic.
Yes, friend. Continue again. Go again.
Dancing. Yeah.
That was too easy. No, I just
Going in nose.
Alright.
Swimming. Skydiving. Roller coaster.
should know them already catch me here. Exactly.
Rain. Catching rain. Ice
I
cream.
want it, yeah. I want no friend.
Grass.
Friend, up in your mouth, up in your mouth, up in your mouth, up in your mouth.
Playing a trumpet. Playing a recorder. Oh, get out.
Friend.
Drinking. Smoking.
Eat friend. I like this. I like it.
Make weed.
Friend.
Oh, get that right. Baseball.
She know all of them already.
We didn't know them. It's in contact. I drop.
Polishing, cleaning, shining, washing dishes, wiping dishes. Bleach, I love your skin.
That's wrong. So that's two. What am you? Three.
Shoot me, firing, gunshot.
Wrong. Time out.
Birthday to you, happy birthday, dear Janet. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? Sweetie, sing here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wait, I need time for me blow.
Yeah, blow it out already.
125. And you better.
Hey guys, so the weekend ends where it all started. I'm now waiting on the next spot to go back into Kingston. Yesterday guys, the games were too much fun, so I really enjoyed myself so much to remember, so I need to close the video. So I'm doing it this morning on my way, getting ready to go home. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my weekend in Sav. Don't forget guys to leave me a comment and let me know which section of the video, which section of the weekend you enjoyed. And of course, don't forget to hit that like. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. You know, some think our man that's gonna bright this up. No, look. I thought it was somebody looking at me through the window. So yes guys, until next time, stay safe and I'll see you around.